Hello students, in this video we will learn a question which is related to domain. So we have to find the domain of a function f of x which is equals to under root sin x. Okay, so now to answer this question we should know something about under root. So students, under root is a positive quantity. Okay, so what type of quantity is under root? Under root is a positive quantity. That means we can have all the values greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, we can say sin x has to be greater than or equal to 0. So now from here we have two inequalities. What are those? First one we got sin x equals to 0, and then the second one we got it as sin x greater than 0. So now what is the general solution for sin x equals to 0? It is x is equals to 2n pi. Why it is 2n pi? So if I put n equals to, so here I have to mention where n belongs to integral values, right? So if I put n equals to 0, I'll get pi into 0, which is 0. So sine 0 is 0. If I put n equals to 1, we'll get 2 pi. So sine 360 is also 0. All right. So all the multiples of 180 sine is 0, as well as sine 0 is also 0. So this is the solution for sin x equals to 0. Now the second part of the solution is sin x has to be greater than 0. So that means sin x is positive. So students, we know that sin x is positive in first and second quadrant, right? So first and second quadrant means this is 0 degrees and this is 180 degrees. That means x value has to lie between 0 and less than 180. Okay, so we can say from here our x lies from, because we have to find the domain means all the values of x. So x should be greater than equals to or lesser than equals to 180 degrees. Why equal to sign? Because 0 is also there. Okay, so now for first and second coordinate we have found that sin x is positive, so therefore x lies from 0 to 180. Now I have to generalize this equation. Okay, so how I can write this thing in terms of radians? I can write it as x is less than equals to pi, because 180 is pi radians. Okay, so this is the second part of the solution. Now we have to generalize. Now generalize the solution. So we will get add 2n pi, right? This plus this. The total solution is this value plus this value. Therefore, 0 plus 2n pi less than equals to x less than equals to pi plus 2n pi. That means we have to generalize this solution. After 360 degrees, again, after 360 we'll get 450, then 540. Right? So from 360 to 540, again sin x is positive. Right? So now 0 plus 2n pi will be 2n pi less than equals to x greater x is less than equals to, here I can take pi common, so 2n plus 1 into pi. So this is the solution for which under root sin x is defined. I hope you understood the question. Thank you.